After Brian Austin Green and Sharna Burgess brought their sizzling chemistry to DWTS, she raved over how good he did before giving her love a sweet kiss. "Hey, everybody," Brian Austin Green said at the start of an Instagram story, posted right after he and Sharna Burgess finished their first dance on Monday's season premiere of Dancing with the Stars. When Sharna, 36, asked her boyfriend how he felt about his first dance, Brian, 48, said the experience was nerve-wracking, but awesome. Sharna, who is quite literally a DWTS pro, asked Brian about his first time, and he said that the high you feel when you get it, and it's done, is amazing. At the end of the video, Brian and Sharna encouraged everyone to vote for them, because he, Brian, did amazing. "He did so good, and I'm proud of you." The two lovers then leaned in for a passionate kiss, and if that doesn't encourage their fans to vote, nothing will. Afterward, Sharna shared a message to her Instagram, along with a DWTS promo photo of her posing next to Brian. "Honestly, I'll find the right words at some point. But holy SHT, I am in heaven getting to do what I love with the man that I love. Please vote, 'cause I wanna do this for as long as we possibly can," she captioned the shot while adding text Brian to 21,523. Sharna's post drew the attention of another woman who found love on the ballroom floor, Nikki Bella. The former WWE superstar is engaged to DWTS pro Artem Shevtsov, and the two share an adorable one-year-old son, Mateo. She chimed in on Sharna's post. "So obsessed with you too, hearts fries emoji fire emoji," commented Nikki, who met Artem during her tenure on DWTS. "Like, beyond. I love watching true love in the form of dance. My heart couldn't stop smiling." Related gallery. Brian Austin Green, photos of the Beverly Hills, 90210 Allen. For their first dance, Brian and Sharna did the foxtrot that earned praise from Judge Bruno Tonioli, who said that they had undeniable sizzling chemistry. The dance earned them a score of 2440, which placed them square in the pack. Cobra Kai star Martin Kove and Britt Stewart failed to wow the judges, pulling in 1340, while JoJo Siwa, making history by dancing with pro Jenna Johnson, secured the highest score of the night with 2940. Brian might have the edge going into this season of DWTS. Sharna has been extremely kind and helpful, and she's been a huge cheerleader for me, he said to Hollywood Life and other press ahead of the show's season premiere. "He's really given me a lot of pointers and helped me understand just the work that is in store for me and what I'm going to have to commit to in doing this well. But she's super supportive. She's super loving and kind through all of it. She's taken the scary unknown factor out of it a bit."